Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, going to go for a put contract here at 54.50. Got that 54.50 put. See what it wants to do here. Just kind of putzing around right here. And out for a $50 move there. So started off wanting to go for 100, but like I said, it wasn't quite behaving. So decided no need to go into loss control mode, no need to take a loss, no need to go for break even. But I did decide, all right, instead of going for the 100, let's just go for 50. And yes, in hindsight would have been okay, but that is hindsight. And I don't know about you, but I'm very rich in my hindsight trading account. All right, so starting off with the $50 trade, I'll go ahead and pause. I should also note that I am doing options here, so if you have no idea kind of what exactly you're looking at, then let me know down in the comment section. Just put guide or option guide, and I'll link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options, and it'll help simplify all this. And also, don't be intimidated. I know sometimes options have the reputation of being very complicated and advanced, and they can be made that way, don't get me wrong, but they don't have to be, and I approach them in a much more simplified way. So if that's how you like to approach things in more of a simple way, then I'm confident that free class can help you out. So like I said, just put option guide, something like that, and I will link you to it. And options are great if you have a smaller account. That's not why you would have to use them. That's not why I use them. But if you do have a smaller account, they do offer some benefits to that. So just something to consider moving forward. So I'll pause, but I do have an order out there right now. I'm not close to getting filled or anything on it, but I did want to make a note that if you were interested in learning more, to just drop me a comment. And just real quick, I'm looking at this number right here, and I'd like to see this number get down to right at 53.50. And if that white turns to green, that means I've actually been able to make the purchase. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Looking for the white to turn to green and looking for these numbers over here. So that's the number I care about most right now. So we'll see if that can drop down to that level at 53.50. But I will pause for now. Okay, looking for that 53.50 order. Nope. Let's go to 52.50 instead now. I don't like how it's not necessarily pausing here. It's basically let it settle down here a bit more. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 53 here. Got 53 for a call. and out for another quick $50. Very good. I will go ahead and pause. All right, going to go for a put here at 59.50. All right, missed out on that. Maybe I can get a little bit better of an entry point here. If I can get up around the 50 mark. I'll pause for now. I have an order at 59.50 here for a put. All right, I'll pause. All right, moving my order up here to 57.50 now. Maybe too slow on that. Give it another try. So 57.50 here for a put. I'll keep a close eye on it. I will, well, yeah, I'll go ahead and pause. All right, gonna go for 57.50 here now. Unless I was too late. Yep. Bummer, there it goes. All right, never mind on that. Okay, I have an order at 63.50 here. No, that's a chase. Total chase. Why? No. Yeah, that was such a bad. Okay, that was a bad trade. That would have been a very, very poor decision. Let's go to 53 here for a call. Throw that. Whoop. What happened? How was that? Oh, there. Okay. There we go. All right. I misarranged my my columns over here. That's why the white one showed up in the middle of the green and it threw me off. That's why. But yes, that trade I had in there was a total chase. I am getting a little frustrated here. So I got to be careful of that. Okay, I'll pause. Have an order at 53. Change that down to 52. No. Maybe I should be getting in right at this area. It's seemingly as paused, but see if it can come down just a bit more. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna go for 53.50 here, in at 53.50. And out for another fast $50. Very good. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 46.50 here for a put. Oh, wait. Those spreads tightened down quite a bit. Let me change strike prices here. See if I can, where are these spreads at? Okay, these ones look better. Yeah, those spreads got a little tighter than what I had wanted, so cancel that order out. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call things good. I need to move on with my day. So overall, fine day, and I will. I'll take it. So that is all I have for you. If you want that guide, please hit the like button. But if you want the guide, just leave a comment below, guide please, and I'd be happy to link you to it. That way you can learn more about options. And if you think this could maybe help you out, maybe give you more opportunities, give you more flexibility, especially again, if you have the smaller account, then like I said, comment down below and I will link you to that guide. So thanks for hanging out. If you appreciate these live trade videos, they're not the easiest thing to make. I've got to think for myself. I've got to execute my trades. I've got to manage. I've got to make alerts in the chat room. I've got to think for myself. So I say none of that to seek your pity. I just say to build perspective and ask that if you do enjoy these, then please, like I said, let me know below by hitting that like button. And even if you just leave a basic comment, that helps out quite a bit. So thanks for hanging out. Take care. Have a good one.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.